One of the most common questions I hear is an annuity right for me? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Every retirement plan should be as unique as the person it's built for. One of the biggest benefits of annuities is that they provide a steady, guaranteed income, something that becomes critical when you're no longer earning a paycheck. There are different types of annuities, each with its own benefits. There are fixed indexed annuities, which offer guaranteed minimum returns with the potential for additional growth based on a market index's performance. They allow you to participate in some of the market's upside without the downside risk. There are also single premium immediate annuities, or SPIAs. These provide fixed, predictable payments that begin immediately after your lump sum investment. There are also deferred income annuities, or DIAs, which, similar to SPIAs, have a guaranteed income that begins at some future date. It's a deferred income annuity. Each of these can play a critical role in ensuring your essential expenses are covered in retirement. One of the biggest risks in retirement is sequence of return risk, which is just a fancy way of saying that if you experience poor market returns early in retirement, it can have a lasting impact on your portfolio. This is where annuities come into play. Whether you choose a fixed index annuity, a SPIA, or a DIA, your annuity payments remain stable regardless of how the market performs. That stability can be a lifesaver in times of economic uncertainty. I recently worked with a client who was particularly concerned about this. He had saved diligently for retirement, but was worried about another market crash wiping out a portion of his retirement portfolio early in retirement. We ran the numbers, and he realized that if he relied entirely on investments for income, he might be forced to sell assets at a loss during a downturn. Instead, we used an annuity to provide a reliable income floor, covering his essential expenses no matter what happened in the market. That decision gave him the peace of mind to enjoy retirement without constantly watching the stock market. Annuities aren't meant to replace stocks and bonds, but they can be an important part of a diversified retirement strategy. By including an annuity in your retirement plan, you can balance the potential for growth from other investments with the predictable income an annuity provides. This helps create a well-rounded portfolio that can weather market volatility while still offering long-term financial security. At Haywood Wealth Management, we take a holistic approach to retirement planning. That means looking at annuities as just one piece of the puzzle, alongside other investments, tax strategies, and income planning. When we sit down with clients, we focus on first understanding your goals. How much guaranteed income do you need? What's your risk tolerance? What's your retirement timeline? We also look at building a balanced portfolio. By using annuities alongside stocks, bonds, and other investments, we can create a resilient retirement strategy. And tax considerations. Understanding how annuity tax payments fit into your tax plan and whether they're the right vehicle for your income needs. Annuities can be a powerful tool for securing your retirement income, protecting against market downturns, and adding stability to your portfolio. But like any investment, they need to be used strategically and in the right circumstances. If you're wondering whether an annuity might fit into your retirement plan, we'd love to help. Schedule a complimentary consultation today, and let's build a plan that gives you both security and flexibility for the years ahead.